Discover the realm of innovation, expertise, and growth with the National Tile Contractors Association, known to many as the NTCA. We're excited to welcome you to our upcoming workshops, a platform for you to dive deep into the latest techniques, developments, and systems for tile and stone installations. Imagine a day filled with dynamic vendor fairs, insightful technical instruction, interactive live demonstrations, and an opportunity to network with industry professionals, all while earning AIA credits where applicable. We've designed these workshops to empower you, the doers and creators of the industry, and help you navigate your professional journey with newfound knowledge and confidence. But the experience doesn't stop there. As part of our commitment to celebrating your drive for learning and professional growth, we've partnered with Stabila, industry leaders in precision tools. Attending any of our workshops from July to December 2023, complete a digital check-in using our QR code system, and you instantly secure a chance to win a premium set of Stabila R-beam levels. Stabila will be dividing the giveaway into 2 periods, aligning with your workshop attendance, one for July to September and another for October to December. Simply put, when you check in for a workshop, you are automatically entered into the giveaway for that corresponding period. 2 distinct time frames, 2 fantastic opportunities to win. The lucky winners will be announced live on NTCA's primary Facebook page. Be sure to tune in on October 6, 2023 and January 5th, 2024. At NTCA, we are shaping a community that values learning, growth, and dedication. We invite you to join us at our next workshop, enhance your skills, and grab your chance to win a premium set of Stabila R-beam levels from Stabila. Your commitment to growth deserves recognition and rewards, and that's what we offer at NTCA. To stay up to date on the latest workshops and programs available across the U.S., visit our website at www.ntcatraining.com. If you'd like to download the giveaway details, visit www.tile-assn.com/page/NTCA-workshops.